Okay, guys, we're starting with our Day of the Dead from Dollar Tree. Are each plate the same?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they're the same.
Okay, it's like a charger size.
Yeah, it's a charger.
Or a serving tray.
Yeah, whatever. And then I got some ribbon. And some little skeleton stickers.
Oh, where are we going to stick them?
I have no idea yet.
You'll find someplace, huh?
So I had already bought a lot of stuff at the other store, but when I was here, I saw these and I said, oh, I can use these plates. So
Yeah.
I think that was all I had for the Day of the Dead items from the Dollar Tree. And then I'll show you what I got for my Halloween stuff. So here's some, I guess it goes this way. Purple lights.
There's little skulls on them?
No, I think they're just purple lights to put
Okay.
in there. And then I got some
Spiders.
Got purple and I got black. I also got some purple and black bats, but I've already put them on my tree, so
Well,
Mom will have to shoot them.
I'll take a picture of it.
And then I got a little tray.
It will look beautiful once it's all decorated up with spiders crawling all over.
And on this one, somehow I will get these on here.
You know, honestly, I think those would be great for Day of the Dead.
Yeah.
Because they have the little skull. Now this skull turned out pretty good. Look how good it filmed. And the red roses and everything and the red carnations look like they would be perfect for the Day of the Dead as far as I'm concerned.
So, we
can use them both ways.
Yeah, so I just got to get the little thing that you stick the stuff into. Oh man, this was supposed to be on our autumn one, but we'll just show it 'cause I forgot about
That's
this
all
one.
right. There's so much to choose from. Home, sweet home. I guess I read it wrong. Home,
It's the same way.
sweet home. Well, at least it looks better if I start from top and work my way down.
Yeah. So this will go on my little. I have a little hook that I hang on my little.
Is that going to go on the fireplace or?
No, it goes in that little
Okay.
cubby, but that's for fall. It's
Okay.
being used right.
Yep. This is still from the Dollar Tree. There was so much stuff we had to film twice on this table. The table wasn't big enough for everything that she got, and so she got 3 pumpkins, and that came to $3, right?
Mm-hmm.
And the little autumn sign was only $1. Isn't that cute? I love it.
Autumn blessings. And then I like this one a lot. This one says thankful and blessed.
And we should be thankful for what we have. Compared to what a lot of people have in their countries and all the trials they deal with, we have a joyful life here. Even if we're not rich, we still are really blessed, I think. Don't you, Debbie?
Yes, I agree.
I mean, most of us have food in our house and we have electricity. I mean, some people don't even have running water. So people need to start not whining so much and be grateful for what they do have and think about what other people have to deal with every day. Well, let's see what we also got on our Halloween part of our Dollar Tree. Now, here is a couple of more nice things that she got. She got some beautiful fall bows for the fall collection, and it's going to look really great. And some hay bales. You know how much Grandma always needs hay bales for her fairy gardens, and they also can decorate any table up so cute for fall. I love the hay bales, and everything here so far is only $1 from the Dollar Tree.
$1 each.
I said $1 each.
Oh, okay.
Well, the 2 bows are $1, and this one's $1.
Yeah.
They're a package deal.
Yeah. And then here's some more flowers that I didn't use in my.
Some more fall flowers, so we can make some beautiful fall tablescape centerpieces.
And then I found these little lights. They're little pumpkins, so I got 3. I got 2 for me and 1 for you.
Isn't that sweet of her? So we have 3 sets of pumpkin lights to decorate our displays.
Mm-hmm. And I got some
Picks.
pumpkin picks.
And
I was thinking I can cut that off and put it in the bales of hay and let it look like they're stacked, sitting on there. don't know. There's lots of things you can.
Yep.
Use.
And it's a package of 10, and she got 10 of them for $1, so that's not bad at all. And then she got some beautiful pumpkins for $1. And this you could open and put little things inside, jewelry or candy. Candy would be great for the grandkids.
Candy corn, my favorite.
Oh, please don't mention candy corn. That's why I don't buy it very often, because I'll eat the whole bag. I'm sure my doctor cringes when he hears that, or she hears that.
And then you got an orange one and a white one.
Let's put it over here so I can see it.
Oh, I was saying this.
Oh, yeah, these are white and orange. And then she got...
And then I got some other little pumpkins.
And see the little design that's in there?
And then here's a one with a sunflower on it.
And she knows how much Grandma loves sunflowers. I always have them in my garden.
And then I have another one that says grateful.
Isn't that great? We're grateful to have what we have, aren't we?
And so I was watching a video of someone who said, did you know Dollar Tree their pumpkins have holes, and that means that you can stack them? So my thought was I would, see, they have a hole. I took the little, see this one has the little thing, I left it on, but I took the sticker off of this one. So I just stick this right on here. And then I took the one off of here, so I'm gonna stick that one on here, and look at how cute that looks. Of course, you can leave it like this if you don't have any way to knock it off, but I was gonna glue it. Mom says not to glue it, so you can use it for other things.
Well, because Grandma, I'm cheap. I like to multi-use things. We all know that. Super cute idea.
Yeah, so I'm gonna move that one back to the back. And then, actually, I have two other ones that are this metallic. I have them in another decoration. But, so there's 3 total, different colors. And then, I got this one. I just like this.
They look nice.
So cute. I wish they had a different style like that, but they only had that one.
Well, you know what it is. They get new stuff, different things all the time.
And then some little vase fillers. I love the colors in this, so they'll be perfect for my fall.
110 in each. Oh my gosh, that's a lot.
Yeah.
For $2, you got 220 little balls to run around your house.
So that's all the fall stuff.
And now we're going to show you what she got for Day of the Dead.
It's a mix of Day of the Dead and some other Halloween accessories.
Okay, that's great. I'm gonna have her clean this table up, and we're gonna share it. So beautiful, Debbie. You got all these flowers at Dollar Tree?
Yep, Dollar Tree.
Aren't they pretty? Even the little witch's hat was from Dollar Tree. Look at all the color. Doesn't it look beautiful, guys? And like she always says, she just throws it in there.
Yep, there's nothing in there holding it up. I just threw it in there until I get time to actually organize it better.
About how many pieces do you think you have in there?
Probably maybe 6.
So $6 you probably spent there?
Yeah, and then I got this little hat, but it came in a set of 3, and I used the other 2 in another area.
So that's
of the
like
house.
30 cents or 33
Yeah.
cents. Okay, let's see what else we got on this fall harvest
Shopping haul.
shopping haul from Dollar Tree.